You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. It's a word in Italian, but it can also be a name. It's an adjective. It means from Puglia, from the region of Puglia in the south of Italy. The Italian pronunciation is as Pugliese. If you want to learn more useful vocabulary from Italy, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Pugliese. That's your Italian pronunciation. In English, you can say it as Pugliese, or some may pronounce it as Pugliese as a surname. How do you pronounce it yourself? Where are you from? Let us know in the comments. In Italian, the pronunciation is certainly how to pronounce Pugliese. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.